Hi, my name is Dan with Droneblog.com. Today's video serves as a step-by-step guide through downloading content from the DJI Air 3 to a PC or Mac, as well as downloading content to an electronic device using the QuickTransfer feature. Now, there are various ways to access the content on the Air 3. One method is the Direct Connect method, which can be done by directly connecting the Air 3 to a computer using the included USB-C cable. The second method is using an SD card reader. Now, for the Direct Connect method, firstly, connect the Air 3 USB to USB-C cable to your computer, plugging the USB side into an empty USB slot on your PC or computer. Secondly, while the Air 3 is off, plug the USB-C end into the Air 3. Thirdly, your PC should automatically recognize the Air 3 storage. Now, note this. Unlike previous DJI drones, there is no need to power on the Air 3, as when it connects to the PC via USB-C, the internal storage and SD cards are available. Now, we'll walk through the steps needed when using the Air 3's SD card. The first 3 steps will pertain to the SD card reader. Afterwards, all of the steps can be used for both the Direct Connect or SD card reader methods. Now, the SD card reader method, you want to first eject the SD card from the Air 3. Secondly, insert the micro SD card into the corresponding SD card slot on the reader. Thirdly, insert the SD card reader into your PC. Now, for step 4, after either the Air 3 has been directly connected to the USB port or the SD card has been inserted, in Windows or File Explorer, they may automatically launch. If they don't, open your Windows or File Explorer by right-clicking on the Windows icon on the bottom of your PC and choosing File Explorer. Now for Macs, like I'm using, a shortcut of the SD card will be visible on screen. Now if using a Mac, double-click the SD card shortcut. In this case, I have mine named Air 3, and a Mac Finder window will open, showing you the contents of the card. If using a PC, after opening your File Explorer, you should see your Air 3's SD card. Now, selecting the DCIM folder will bring you to the directory where your media is ultimately stored. Mine's the DJI_001 directory. Yours may in this case be different. To copy all the files into the directory of your choice on your computer, you can right-click the DJI_001 directory and choose Copy. Alternatively, you can click and choose what files you'd like to copy and then move to the next step. Now for the next step, to paste the files or directory into your folder or directory of choice, navigate through the Explorer window or Finder window, locate the directory you'd like to copy to, open the directory, and then right-click and paste into the said location. Now, the QuickTransfer feature allows you to wirelessly export content from your Air 3's SD card to an Android or iOS smartphone or device, all without having to power on the remote controller. Now, this is ideal for those who'd like to quickly edit their photos or videos or immediately share them with family, friends, or on social media. Now, the items needed for the QuickTransfer feature are, of course, the Air 3, a remote controller is not required, your smart device or smartphone, and DJI Fly loaded on that smart device. Now note this, if you're using a DJI RC2, you can't use the QuickTransfer feature to export photos and videos to the remote controller. That's because the RC doesn't have editing functions, so transferring content is not supported. Editing needs to be done on an Android or iOS smart device. Now to use the QuickTransfer feature, remove the gimbal guard and power on the Air 3. Open the DJI Fly app on your device, and there will be a message stating switch to quick transfer mode. Go ahead and select switch. You'll then be asked to press and hold the power button for 2 seconds on the Air 3 to connect DJI Fly to the Air 3. Now press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. After pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds, you'll be asked to join the DJI Air 3 network. Press join. Now press view album to see the content on the Air 3 SD card. You can then choose to view photos, videos, or all content. Now press the check mark in the upper right hand corner to enter batch select mode. Here you can either individually select files to download or batch select multiple files. Select the files that you need, then press the download button on the bottom right hand corner. You'll then see a progress bar and an indicator letting you know the files are downloading. You can then access these files from within your phone or tablet and use the video or photo editor or photo gallery app of your choice. Well, that's all for this video. If you have specific questions pertaining to this or other videos, we'd love for you to join us at dronepilots.com. For more tutorials and reviews, head to droneblog.com.